Hello YouTube, this is your girl Kinza Babe. I am back again. This time I am back in Kaswa. Look. So I am here. We stopped to get some Super Shaddy's calling me. Hold 1 second, guys. We stopped to get some pipes for the electrician. The electrician is going to give us an estimate today, and then the plumber is also here with us, and then he's going to give us an estimate. So we are here to buy one bundle of electrical pipes since we are in Kaswa. And we're gonna need these pipes for tomorrow. So how much is that bundle?
175.
175.
Yeah.
How much is a piece? Oh, the bundle is 175. Okay. How much pieces in a bundle? 25. So how much a piece did they went up?
Exactly amount that we buy, but we're just buying this one to take it to the site.
Just to have some while we're here, right?
Huh?
Just to have some while we're here.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that can save us money
Okay.
to get it in the junction. The junction is expensive than this.
Okay. So guys, we're going to get these pipes. So see you in a little bit. So guys, I am going to sit in the front seat and hold the pipes. I don't want to sit in the back seat. So we are here in Kaswa with the electrician and the plumber. We still have to go and buy some more steel. The steel bender, they are on the site working right now, but they need 35 more 10 ml. We were short because he added more steel to the foundation for the second level because we're going up. We changed the plans from a hidden roof to a terrace. So for the weight, we are adding more steel, if you guys understand. So we were shot like 35 10 mls, 10 mls, and like 16 or 15 or something, 16 mms. I'm saying mls like it's liters, but it's mms, if you know what I mean. So we have to make that stop for steel also. Guys, we're back at Cape Furee here in Liberia Camp. What a muddy mess. Okay, where am I going to cross? So we shot a couple pieces of steel. It's a muddy traffic mess. Look at the traffic. Ah, Liberia Camp, guys. Look at that traffic. Gotta cross the mud. Guys, we are at Cape Furee now. Because we only buy in a few pieces, we have to negotiate transportation. So that's what Super Shaddy's they're doing now, negotiating transportation. One of these little trucks. So, look at the traffic. Guys, if you're coming to Ghana, remember, this is a whole different country. You don't come here with your Western mentality that you're going to just bill and get things right away. You have to have patience in this country. They do things differently. You know, you gotta learn how to adapt. I just wanted to say that, you know, coming to a whole different country, don't think everything is going to be the same. You pay your money, you get it right away, you get delivery right away, you know, learn the culture, learn how things, the system works here. You know, I bought this property over a year ago. I started my registration. Don't think everything just comes simple for me. You know, I went through the process. I went through the whole process. It wasn't happening in 2 weeks. It wasn't happening in a month. It took me a while. So just don't look at me here on YouTube and think it's easy. You know, it's not easy. You have to adapt to the way things, the system works here, or else, you know, it won't be successful for you, and then you're gonna go back to the States or whatever country you came from, the UK, you know, and then you're gonna make the whole thing like Ghana is a bad place. No, this is their system. You come in here, it's not like the Western world. I just wanted to come on and say that, you know, have patience. I gotta get out the way. Let me get out the way. I guess this is my truck that is going to deliver my stuff, so I just wanted to come on and say that, because we come here thinking, well, you know, I'm only trying to educate people. So when I don't charge a consultation fee if you call me. I don't charge anything. You know, if you want to donate something to me, that's fine. When people call me, I don't have no fees or anything. I'm just trying to educate from my experience, okay? But it seems like people here are coming from the West and expecting so much. Lower your expectations, like people been telling you. Lower your expectations, okay? Don't come here thinking you're gonna get things in a snap. Don't come here thinking, oh, you're going to pay for this and you expect to get this and all. Oh, no. It doesn't work that way. Don't come here buying land thinking is this, you're going to be rich and you're going to, no. Huh? Count? Okay. So he's going to count them loading the steel. So Ghana is a third world country. If you think you come in here because people telling you have business opportunities and you're going to be rich overnight, no. It's not that way. You're not going to be rich overnight. Okay, it's a third world country. Come here, take your time and do things step by step. I just wanted to come on and pitch this because, you know, I seen all these things on YouTube, all these people fighting, and don't come here with that stuff, man. Man, there's a lot going on, and I'm just in my own world, doing my own thing. I can't deal with that stuff. I'm trying to stay clear away from it. People attacking people, you know. You don't see the Lebanese and the Chinese here fighting on YouTube, and they're doing what they're doing. We as black people need to unite and stand together and stop trying to bring each other down. Like one black person can't see another black person making it. Look, I didn't just come here and put stuff up, you know. I work, you know, it's over 2 years before I made my move here to Ghana, okay? It's over 2 years. I know some of these people here. These people here, I've been talking to them way before I came. So I built a relationship. Ain't just I know this electrician or I know this plumber, you know. It's been a while. You know, I'm just saying that because people look at you on YouTube and think it's that easy. You just come and start things and they see you building and they see you have this. I went through the motions with registering my land, you know. It took me, I'm not even completed because I still have one more step to make, guys. You know, I still waiting for the go ahead to go pay my taxes. You pay taxes, guys. You pay taxes here and land. Don't let them fool you that you don't pay anything. I have to in order for me to complete my registration, I'm waiting on the go ahead to go pay my taxes. You have to do these steps. Don't let people fool you like it's that easy. It takes time. I started my registration last year, July. I came here July 5th. The day before, no, I flew in, I left America July 4th. I got here July 5th. My birthday was July 6th. So it was a year ago. I was in Ghana. It's when I started this whole registration process. And it's not simple, okay? Don't expect it overnight. Don't expect it overnight, guys. This is not America. They have a system, and how their system works, that's them. You can't come and change things overnight, you know? Stop fighting with each other, you know? Be more cohesive. People trying to help. You know, I'm talking a lot while they load stuff back there. If you look in the back, Super Shadi is there. I can't even speak this morning. Let me move. It looks like my steel is already loaded. I better go and get going and stop chatting so much. I feel like I'm preaching, you know, but it seems like black people can't unite. It's like they, you know, they see you doing something and they feel they have to take it or destroy what you're doing. Come on, guys. Stop the nonsense on YouTube. So the driver took my pipes. Guys, I'm back on my site. I was eating some crackers.
They said they don't deliver to you.
Who? Jeffrey.
They said they don't deliver. Their last stop is what do you call it? It's not even Akoti. The next time before Akoti. That's their last stop.
So,
but with the last time we said Akrama, and they consider us, and the driver told them that it's more than Akrama.
the last driver that we had, the first driver.
This one we pay transportation, but the one we didn't pay transportation.
Okay.
So that means next time we pay transportation.
Okay. After buying all that steel, I have to turn around and pay transportation, guys, next time. So I gotta wait the first time. That's what they're telling me. But it's okay. Oh, I'm here on my property. These guys are working. These guys are doing estimates today and seeing what work they have to do for plumbing and electricity. Electrician. You're going upstairs. Here, use this one. Hello, guys. How are you? Good morning. Sorry, I'm passing through your workstations. Guys, I can't keep this on too long they're putting in the pillars, it looks like. I can't do too much videoing because of the copyright. Guys, the music is in the background. Them boys are checking out what work they have to do here.
So guys, I have electrician here and plumber. Everybody is doing estimates. So these are the plumbers.
I'm just sitting here waiting for these guys to decide how this piping is going to go for toilets and everything. Guys, this is what happens when you make changes. So please consider before you make changes. Just saying. Guys, we have steel bender, masons, and everybody here except the carpenter. So hopefully we get some stuff done today and decisions made about going up. I was wondering where the pillar for the stairs was gonna go. I see what they did now. They did a pillar. Guys, I don't know if it's me, but it's been hot these last couple of days. It's been humid. It's humid, guys. It's humid. I am here sitting at the junction at the plumbing supply. We're buying plumbing supplies and electrical supplies for the plumber and the electrician. So Super Shadi went down the hill to find the piping that he needs. They didn't have it at this shop we bought from here before. We're at the junction. So see you guys in a little bit. These boys has finished. They work hard today. They even just water my plants for me. I brought them some choco, some bread, choco bread, hot fresh bread. I couldn't buy them everybody food today. So I spent a lot of materials today. Okay. So I'm going up there today. I'm going to try. I gotta wait for Super Shadi. Those guys over there starting to work tomorrow. As the electrician and the plumber crew and the mason is back. He is going to start some concrete for the pillars. So he's back on the scene. I thought the steel benders was completely done, but they're not. My little con is coming, guys. It looked like, what it looked like is the white survived, the yellow ain't surviving at all. The white one survived. That looked like the white con that I planted, but the other ones are coming. Next time, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to do things the way I want it done and not listen to anyone else. Somebody dropped some maize here too. This is maize. Look like they probably was eating. So the yellow ones, the white ones, I thought the yellow ones was more resilient to drought and everything and water. But they look like the white ones are. I think those are white, mostly white. That is doing nice, doing good. Anyway, they're coming. As long as I have some coming. This was just temporary anyway. On their daily pass by. I gotta go down there. Oh, they're coming in. Coming to get them out. Oh, they're running. They know their routine. They're being naughty. Hello. Just don't trample my trees. How the birds, look closely and how the birds follow the cows. They come and they sat on the wall and they move with the cows. As the cow move, they move. There must be an opportunity for a feast. What are they looking for? Ticks and what? Droppings? I don't know. Seeds from the droppings? I don't know what they're looking for. I think it's ticks. They follow the cows. See? They come on the wall and then follow the cows. When the cow move, they move. Boys closed for the day. Shop closed. See you. Oh yeah, you looking sharp, fresh. Old boy, you're fresh. Boy. Oh. Just the mason left alone. He makes a little concrete. This mason is a hard worker, man. I must say, the steel bender is complete. This is what they did today. The stairs is done. I am closing for the day. We just waiting on the steel, not the steel bender, the mason. The steel benders. Oh, it was a trip. You know, these young boys, I just had a little chat with them and every one of them wants to go to the States. That's their, like, dream. A brochie. It's sad when I see that none of them have no other. Maybe they do have other aspirations, but I don't know. When they talk to me, they want to go to the States. Everybody wants to go to the States, but to each his own. All right, we're going to close in a few minutes. We're just waiting on the mason to finish.
So guys, we are done. We are done for the day. No. So we're going to check the final work, how it is. Woo! Kenza babe crying there. It's not easy. Oh.
It's not easy.
Guys, see who is here. Woo. You made it.
Wait. Okay, where you step? Step on the middle?
Middle.
Like that?
No, middle. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Middle. 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 Go.
Okay. All right, thank you, kid. That's where I got. I am up here finally.
So, guys, we made it.
That's work for me.
So tell them something.
I'm out of breath. That was a task getting up there, but I made it.
Yeah, I tell you, you can. You didn't believe it. So, how do you see the work?
It's good.
It's good?
Yeah.
You love it?
Yes.
So, what I was showing, let me show you. So, this one, they stand it back. You understand?
Yeah. So now we have a pillar there and a pillar here.
One.
Show me. Pillar here. Pillar there.
It's back on it.
Yeah. Pillar there.
Is there?
Is there a pillar there?
Yeah.
And a pillar here?
Let's go. Are you just am I be watching better one? Ah, okay.
I'm in these little tiny slippers. That's the thing. How do you guys go in these tiny little slippers?
So Simon said you're going to get wardrobe. Right here, wardrobe.
He's gonna do it?
Mm-hmm.
As long as they don't go up the other level, right?
He said he can't.
I am going to get my wardrobe.
So this is the balcony. So the wardrobe will come here.
Yes!
Then it will come like this.
I'm excited.
So the wardrobe will come here. Then washroom.
So
Oh, this side is bedroom.
all this.
So, boy, now we're in quiet anyway. Washroom.
Washroom.
Yeah.
Where's the washroom?
Okay. This is the washroom. This side.
All the way to the caterpillar?
Yeah. To the end. To the end.
Okay.
To the end. Here will be the door. So I said they will lay blocks here. Then the washroom will be open so that you can put glass.
Yeah. But you got to tell. Wait. Show me toilet, show me shower.
Okay.
The door will be here. Here will be block work. So the door will be here. And then another block work will be here. So the toilet will be somewhere. Wash and basin will come.
And the shower over there.
Yeah.
Be careful at the end.
And here will be the shower. So if you open the door, you will see the wash and basin straight.
And the shower here.
Shower will be here, then the whistle will be here.
The whistle will be here.
Okay. So now I need Simo to know that I need blocks in my shower, like another layer of blocks.
Yeah, when it started you'll be here. So
Blocks.
Yeah. I need we have little like places where you could sit and shower.
Yeah.
Instead of I have a bad knee, see? A bad knee. And this one is going, so I need to sit sometimes to wash my feet.
it's because your leg is not good.
My luck?
Your leg.
Oh, my leg.
It's not good. We're 9 yet.
We're 9 yeah. These are my 9 yeah.
Listen to the tree. We're 9. We're 9. We're 9 is you.
Oh.
Hey, yeah.
We're 9 yeah.
Yeah.
I know these are 9 or something.
Yeah. Okay.
So all here gonna be bedroom.
So from here.
Here will be the block work.
Uh-huh.
So the bedroom will be.
So from here. From this side.
Okay.
This side. This side.
And that's
This side to the other side to be the hall.
hall. This is the hall.
Yeah. This will come and end somewhere here or something. And kitchen. And the bedroom will start from, I think, this side and go, and the washroom will be here. So this one washroom is big. It's bigger than, I think, the other side.
Yeah, but this has a washroom and this has a
Balcony.
and this has a balcony too, but
Yeah, this one doesn't have the.
bedroom is going to be bigger.
Yeah, but this one doesn't have the wardrobe, the closet.
Yeah.
Yeah. So all good. So tomorrow work will start.
So okay,
Yeah.
maybe he go for a small wardrobe.
It won't go, please. Don't squeeze anything again. The way we tired and fix
Oh,
everything.
it's a couple of blacks.
Please,
Okay.
it's okay.
Okay. Putting in the pillars, guys. The last pillars for the stairs. Man and deck, so we could go home. We're closing and then we got kept back by removing our wood to add the pillars. The mason, so we all could go home together. They all live around the same area. All right, guys, we are leaving now. We are closing definitely for the day. Hello, guys. So, thank you guys for watching. Sorry about the noise. Thank you guys for watching. If it's your first time, please subscribe, like, comment, and share.
You can't see.
Like, comment, and share. This is Super Shadi and Iniesta,
And
Davy Jet, and Rich Kid.
Koro.
Koro. Ah, don't get me saying no wrong names.
No, the baby jet Koro.
Koro?
Correct name. Baby jet Koro.
Okay. Who? Sakode manager.
Yeah.
Oh,
And this one is Stoneboy.
so boy manager, you guys are fooling around now. All right, guys. Peace out. Love you. Bye-bye. Bye.